So, hi everyone, we are in the beautiful Alta Badia, Italy. So this is the only German-speaking region of Italy, right Bernhard? It is the only German-speaking region. It's a special region, you can see it's very beautiful. But apart from nice ski races, they also have very nice wastewater treatment plants. And next to me is Bernhard Wett. Actually, he came up with a novel concept of A-stage treatment, and he will give some more explanation about this technology.
Yeah, please have a look around. Alta Badia is a quiet place this time of the year, but once ski season starts, it becomes a madhouse, and then this treatment plant gets terribly overloaded. So we try to provide a solution for this plant to add capacity by improving pre-treatment. AAA stands for alternating activated adsorption. So alternating means it's operated in two tanks in an alternating mode, so that while in one tank there's a flow through, in the other running the cycles of wasting and aeration and settling. Activated means that it's not a primary sludge system, not a pure primary clarifier. It's a biosorption process which tries to capture at least 60% of the COD, take it out at very short SRT and take it to the digester.
So, and Bernhard, which plants can actually benefit from this technology?
Yes, one major target, that's capacity increase. So here it's a retrofit of an existing primary tank. A pair of primary tanks has been retrofitted here, and that adds a lot of capacity. The other point is energy, to get energy output. That's another target.
Okay, so plants actually all over the world can potentially apply it.
Potentially, yes.
Potentially, yeah. Well, so this is a very innovative A stage process, and the B stage is then the conventional treatment. And why is AM team here? Well, actually we want to help Bernhard in getting towards the optimal design. So what you don't want, for example, in such a case is short-circuiting, or you want the perfect mixing, you don't want slush washout. Currently today we are doing validation measurements, which we will use to validate an advanced CFD model, a CFD model to be used to also look at the design in 3D on the computer, besides in practice. Okay, so, well, thanks everyone for listening. So do you have any words to add, Bernhard?
I'm fine.
It's fine, okay. Well, thanks for listening. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.